Hello, once again. On this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own subscription on Microsoft Azure portal, which will give you the opportunity to use resources for free and get you a bit familiar and closer to being a cloud expert. So, you would start by accessing Azure portal via Google. So, you could search for Azure portal sign up on Google and you'll get a list of links to access. You make sure to access the portal.azure.com link and then make your way to sign up to create a new account with a brand new email address. In this case, my email address is mrtechnology90@yahoo.com. And then, after you have filled in these details, you go ahead to create your new account. Microsoft will verify your account by sending you a token to your email. You will then return this token back to Microsoft to verify your account, which I am doing right here. Then you'll be taken to supply your country/region. I am currently in the UK, so I would supply that along with my date of birth. Then you will be prompted to submit your name, your first and last name, which I am. My last name is not developer, by the way, but yeah. And then you will be taken to a page where you would have to fill in information about your profile. Full information which requires your middle name, your email address, your first name, last name, and country region have been pre-populated from previous forms. So here you would have to supply information like your address, your company VAT ID if you have one, your city, your location, your phone number, and also go through the authorization to prove you are not a robot. Make sure to tick the checkboxes that apply to you and also read the privacy statement. This is very important. Privacy statement. Microsoft, for one, are known to always make changes to terms and conditions and also privacy statements. But you need to read this so you can be familiar with what they do with your data, with the information you have provided. Once this has been completed, the next phase is to submit your bank details. They are not going to debit you, they are just taking your bank details to verify that you can pay for this service when the time is needed and you have an actual bank account. Right here, you can see me getting to the Azure portal screen, showing me limited access because I am a new user on the platform. At the top right, you see my profile details, which is my email address. You could provide a profile picture as well. Being new to the portal, the first thing you need to do is to create a subscription. Subscription stands as a tenant. You stand as a tenant in Microsoft by having a subscription. And you have two types of subscription, either a free trial or pay as you go. Free trial is what we will be going with because that's what I spoke about in my previous video. It gives you the opportunity to use Microsoft resources for free, but for a limited time. And now I will be picking the free trial and then I would have access to other resources, to resources on Microsoft for free with my new subscription, which I have just created. And as you can see, the Azure subscription one has been created under my profile, Mr. Technology 90. The advantage of having a subscription again allows you to see a forecast of your spending, how much you spend on resources, the amount of resources you have, their location, the cost is going to the operational cost of these resources as well. That is the most important part of the subscription, which is a tenant on Microsoft. This allows you have an up-to-date data. In my next video, I would be showing you how to create resources on the Microsoft Azure portal. Thank you.